Hello students, this is the practice exercise of unit 2 humor. Okay, in a page number 60 you see here we have completed all the lessons of the unit 2. Okay, and here is the one passage is given and is taken from the unit 2 also. Okay, and here are in a page number 61 some question answer are related to the passage. Okay, now we are solve it. Okay, we will solve it. Number 1, how much does Jack earn? How much does the pay towards each installment? What is the question? How much does Jack earn and how much does he pay towards each installment? The answer is given. He, okay, you look here. The answer is what? Jack earns 6 pounds. He pays 7 pounds and 8 pence in a week. Okay, and the second question, how does Jack manage to pay each installment? The answer is he borrows the rest of the money for the payment from the thrift and providing trust corporation. Okay, and the question number 3, does Aunt Jenny like the way Jack manage his money? Does Aunt Jenny like the way Jack manage his money? The answer is no, she doesn't like the way. जो जैक के कमाने का जो तरीका था, क्या वो आंट जेनी को पसंद था? The answer is no, she doesn't like the way Jack manage his money. Okay, now the question number 4 is, why doesn't Aunt Jenny want to travel by car? आंट जेनी जो है वो कार से ट्रेवल, जैक की जो कार है उससे ट्रेवल क्यों नहीं करना चाहती थी? द आंसर इज Aunt Jenny doesn't want to travel by car because it was not completely owned by Jack. वह कार जो है पूरी की पूरी जैक की नहीं थी. Okay, and the next question, how did Jill and Jack feel when Aunt Jenny gave them a gift of money? The answer is they felt happy and thankful about Jenny for giving them a gift of money. Okay, now the students, you look, here are question number 2, some pairs of words which round the same but are spelled differently. Okay, have a different meaning also. Check and check, you also know their pronunciation are the same but the meaning are the different. One check is just we check anything, any work, when we are doing any work. Okay, just check it. And then second is the bank check. And number second, tired and tire. First tire, that is the wheel or a vehicle tire, and second tire, that means tired. आई गेट जब कोई ज़्यादा काम कर लेता है तो वो थक जाता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द टायर्ड. ओके, दैट नंबर थर्ड, पीस एंड पीस. फर्स्ट पीस इज़ अ नो वायलेंस. ओके, दैट मीन्स नॉन वायलेंस. and number second piece, that means a bit of paper, a piece of chapati. Okay, you know also. And next, fill in the blanks with these words. Aunt Jenny gives Jack a blank so that he can pay off one of his installment. The answer is check, CHE. इंस्टॉलमेंट में उन्होंने चेक दिया था, वन इंस्टॉलमेंट पे करने के लिए जो चेक दिया था, तो व्हाट वर्ड वी यूज़ हियर? CHEQUE. सो यू राइट डाउन हियर CHEQUE. Okay, and the second one, CHEQUE. You look here, and Jack will have to blank whether he is now spending less than he earns. Okay, and here we write down the check, CHECK, the spelling CHECK. Okay, and second one, Aunt Jenny says the Jack car has only one blank because he doesn't own it completely. Jack continues to buy things on installment. The burden of the loan is certainly going to blank him. So firstly we write down in a first blank tire, TYRE, TYRE, and in a second one TIRE. Okay, and now the third question, Aunt Jenny wants Jack to live in blank. She doesn't want him to own just a blank of the things he buys. So here are the option and you put in the fill-ups. Okay, so what we put here, peace and peace. Okay, which peace it comes here, PEACE, peace. Okay, PEACE, and here the things, that means you understood which p's are come here, PIECE. Okay, so now look the third question. Read the following lines carefully and write the poem as it would be. You can choose the words from the given box. Here are the box and given some words. You put in this blank and fill it. Okay, nothing to come but air, quick as a flash, 'tis gone. Nowhere to go but off, nowhere to fall but on. Nothing to break but air. You write down here break, BREAK, break. Nowhere to sleep but the earth. You put here the earth, THEARTH. Nothing to blank but tears, shed, SHE. Here look word, SHET, shed. And last one, nothing to blank but work. Okay, here is the earth is completed and here we put do, nothing to do but work. Okay, now look the next page. Tick the correct options in these sentence. Okay, here two verbs form, had, hats. Here like, likes, lends, do, does. You look here, so we put tick the correct answer. Okay, according to the sentence what they explain here. Aunt Jenny has to own money to anybody. What we put here, say, guess. Yes, guess anybody. Hats. Okay, Aunt Jenny is a third person, so we put hats. Okay, Jack and Jill likes to buy things on installment. What we put here, because here is two, Jack and Jill, two nouns are present, so we put here like. The corporation lends money. The corporation is what, so many not so many thing, not so many other things, so we put here on a single noun, so we put lends. Okay, both Jack and Jill do, does. What comes, do, because here is a to subject also. Some people buys, some people. Okay, what, buy. And everyone is are not a spendthrift. Is are, everyone, here is the everyone, so we put is. Everyone is are, everyone is not a spendthrift. Okay, and then the fifth question, fill in the blanks with correct forms of the verb in the bracket. What time, here some words given on the brackets verbs are, so we put in the correct form of that verbs. Okay, what time do, we also write down here do the shops open here. Eat blank since morning. Since, here is the since, that means it has a present perfect continuous, present perfect continuous tense. So we put here has been raining, has been raining, raining. And now the third is we blank watch in film last evening. Watched last evening, that means a past, so we put here watched, watched, watched. And then again fourth, he blank reached the station by the time the train arrives. He, this is the present simple, and so we put here he reaches, he is the third person. Okay, so we put sres in the with the main verb. And last one, she blank go to New York many times, has gone, has gone. Okay, so now the student, this fifth question is completed.